On November 26th of 1942, we began a 5-day trek across the Pyrenees with the help of Spanish refugees in exile as guides. And we ended up in Barcelona, where we lived for, I was there for 10 months. What happened is that in the meantime, Eleanor Roosevelt had managed to get some visas for children only, without their parents, to escape Europe and come to the United States. So it was kind of a Kindertransport kind of program. And my parents immediately registered me and took my name off the roster with each of the convoys, the first one being in May, I believe, the second one in June, late June. I was on the list and taken off the list because they couldn't see parting with me. And finally, in end of August, I left Barcelona on the third convoy. There were 10 of us, and we went by train to Lisbon. And from Lisbon, we took a Portuguese ship, the Serpa Pinto, to Philadelphia. We landed, and about a week later, I get visitors whom I expected, and that was my great uncle and great aunt, whom I did not know. This was my grandfather's brother on my mother's side, who had come to the United States before the First World War. And my mother had written to them asking if he would be willing to take me in, and he said, of course. So I lived with them from October of 1943 through to the time when my folks finally came to the United States in April of 1946.